another video. DBK, aka the realest YouTuber, is back with another video. I'm about to go get some tint. As you can see through my window a little bit, a lot of bit. I think I got like what, a 20% factory tint. And now on one side of my other window, I tried to tint by myself. I did decent, but I'm playing. I didn't do good. Man, listen, I got the whole half, but when I roll it down like midway, you can't tell that that's messed up. I sometimes ride like this. So now I'm about to re-tint that up. I gotta peel that off before I get there, but yeah, we about to go ahead and get this thing done, man. I'm about to get under this bridge real quick. I'm gonna give y'all the outside look. Let's go. Okay, we here at the tint spot, man. Doug, aka Swift Tint. Listen, y'all come here. It's right off Ghana's Ferry if you're located in Columbus, South Carolina. He the one who did my front tint. You know what I'm saying? So I definitely had to come back. Now this is a 20% tint right here. You can definitely see through it a little bit, but I gotta get that redone just because this one right here. You see, I got that messed up. I peeled some of it off, that's why I look like that, but he said don't worry about it, I'll do it whenever I get it in there. So alright, we're gonna leave it like that, and yeah, this is how it looks on the razor. If I was to peel that off, as you guys see, it was gonna be see-through. So I definitely gotta get that done. Y'all about to go ahead and get this thing right. I'm about to go ahead and get it right. So I'll see y'all when I go ahead and get this thing out. I'm gonna do a couple pulls and vlog like that. Y'all stay tuned. Let's go. My nigga Doug, they got a nigga right. Stop playing with that man. Y'all see this nigga not playing. Y'all see this man not playing, man. Come on now. Let's go. Got both of them things done. Let's go. Man, what's up, man? I did this vlog the next day, but let me go ahead and show y'all how this tint look from the outside in, or from the inside out. Hold on. That's that 20% tint. That's legal. You can still see through it a little bit. Yep. But not too much. Not too much. Not too much. Yeah, you can still see a lot. Well, yeah, I had to get back to factory tip because long story short, for those you don't know, this one would have been good this whole time, but somebody busted my window on this side, so I had to get this re-tinted, the same tint as that one over there, so then I can get it re-tinted darker whenever this dries. So thank you guys for tuning into the channel. If you're interested in getting these tints, the tint done, I have the front windshield tinted. This is like, I think, if I'm not mistaken, this is like 15% on the front. No, 20. I think it's 20 as well on the front. But it's dark. The front also makes the sides look a little darker. So without this front being dark, you would be able to see through this a lot more. So if you want to get your fronts done, this will help the front from the sunlight beaming in, and make your side windows darker when you get your tint. So this is how it looks from the outside. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, and comment. You see what I'm saying? Y'all know what's going on. Black Mamba on the Rumble. I want everybody to stay humble. I'm out.